I don't know if you guys got to see the rim for very long yesterday. I know my video, I shortened it at the end, but this is what I got going on. Today, this is what I'll be knocking off with, I'll have to move on to sandpaper, buffing and polishing. So we'll see where that takes us. You gotta have a game plan. Let me show you my list. Cause the cleaners I'm using, this is what I'll be finalizing my wheels with today. Aluminum polish. It's gonna make that steel shine real nice. Okay, now we see where we at. As we can see, we went through all those steps. Now I'm on the 600 grit sandpaper, buffing and polishing. But I have found out if you have pitting and you're trying to get rid of pitting, you want to start with 120 and then work your way all the way up to the 1500. I also have found a sequence on the way how you're supposed to sand, buff, and then polish. People think buffing and polishing is the same, but it's really not. And then I also have the pattern it should be when I'm doing the sand, buff, and polish.